Our next topic is malwares. Malware is a software which is specifically designed to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Malware is the short form for malicious software, and this is used to disrupt the computer or mobile operations, also to gather sensitive information, gain access to a private computer system, or display unwanted advertising. The term malware was coined by Israel Radai in 1990. Before 1990, malicious software was known as computer viruses. In 1990, Israel Radai introduced the term malware. Next is Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a program that appears to be legal and useful, but concurrently it does something unexpected like destroying existing programs and files. It usually opens the way for other malicious software to enter into the computer system. Trojan horse is derived from the famous Trojan War. Trojan War is a war fought between Troy and Greece. In the famous Greek literature or Greek epic called Iliad, written by Homer. In that book, there was a great war between Troy and the Greece. In that war, this Trojan horse was used by the Greece to enter into the city of Troy. The Greeks placed the Trojan horse, that is a very large wooden horse, Trojan horse. It was placed at the gate of the city called Troy. The people of the Troy thought that that was a gift from the Greek people, and the people of Troy took it inside their city. Once the Trojan horse was inside the city of Troy, the soldiers inside the Trojan horse came out and fought against the people of the Troy and destroyed the city and defeated the people of the soldiers of the Troy. This is how Greek people won the war. This same concept is used in Trojan horse program. Trojan horse program appears to be something useful, but once they enter into our system, it destroys the existing programs and files. It also opens the way for other malicious software to enter into the computer system. Next is controls used for protecting our information resources. Information system controls are certain well-designed set of controls that help in protecting the information resources of the organization. They also ensure accuracy, validity, and proprietary of information systems. There are two categories of controls: general controls and application controls. General controls monitor the design, security, and use of computer programs and security of data files. They are applicable to all computerized applications irrespective of the nature of the application. But application controls are not general. Application controls are specific to each computer application, such as payroll and purchase order processing. They are specifically used for particular applications. Applications like payroll or purchase order processing, etc. Application controls can be categorized into three: input controls, processing controls, and output controls. Input controls check the accuracy and completeness of the input data. Processing controls check whether the data is complete and accurate at the time of updating in the database. And output controls check that the result of the processing are accurate, complete, and uniformly distributed.